Welcome back. Here are predictions for March 2026. Yes, the month is going to continue to be as volatile as February. Let me give you a little more details on this. I have also just announced predictions on war and coming years. Please watch that. It's a very important video and share it with others so that others can also benefit. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish Gurus and my spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. Let's look at March, a month that has started with a lot of action in the world and in your life. Is it going to get easier? No, not yet. The time between the second week, the 12th and the 15th of March, is also going to continue to be challenging. Beginning of March, of course, is challenging as we have already seen. When is it going to calm down? Well, things will start getting easier and calmer as we move towards the end of the month. But the overall issues that are going on globally, the conflict, the war, that is not ending anytime soon. It will get calmer as we move towards the third week of April, but the calm will only be temporary. As I've explained in the war predictions, please check that out so that you have clarity on what is happening in the coming time. March continues to be volatile globally. The stock market will continue to be extremely volatile. The war situation is not calming down right now. As I explained, the situation will start calming out in the third week of March, but will continue till third week of April, though it will change form. So, will more regions will get pulled into this chaos? Yes, absolutely will. They will get more regions will get pulled into things. How is it going to impact you? Well, the first thing you should do is do not plan travel before the 25th of March. In fact, a better time to travel will be after the 20th of April. So if you can avoid traveling till 20th of April, that would be ideal. May is a time when you can expect things to be calm. You can travel, you can do whatever you like, you can plan things. But now, in the month of March and up to the third week of April, completely avoid this. Not a good time to make fresh investments, especially in the month of March. Please avoid getting into fresh investment this month. Wait for things to be a little more stable. Clarity will come into the month of April, so that is when you should plan your investments, and that's when you can look into getting into your fresh investments. This is also not a good month for you to sign important contracts, business legal deals. Please avoid getting into legal stuff. Avoid getting into legal disputes of any sort. Not a good time. Many of you are starting new relationships and new partnerships, and I wish you all the best. But remember that these days till the 21st of March can be extremely volatile, especially mid-month time. So that's a time where you have to be very, very sensitive with how you communicate things, what kind of language you're using to express, what kind of language you're using in contracts. Are you ignoring any terms and hidden clauses that you can, that are going to come back later and bother you? So be a little mindful with that. Especially the signs of Aquarius, Leo, Pisces, Taurus, Libra, Scorpio, Aries, everyone will be impacted, but these signs, and yes, Gemini and Virgo. So most of the signs are getting impacted this month, but especially these need to be extra careful. Virgo and Gemini need to be extra careful with how you communicate, especially at work, how you deal with finances. When I mention a particular sign, remember it's your sun sign and moon sign that I'm talking about. Overall, this month is going to be fast moving, will continue to be chaotic, will start calming down after the 21st of March, slow things down, will and things will finally be back to a more peaceful situation next month. Mid month can be another major incident of disruption around a world leader or new region or country getting impacted. This is also a time where there's going to be unnecessary escalation of rubbish that happens on social media all the time, but especially in this particular month. So you do actually a good deed to the world if you try and share the knowledge to people, not to believe everything that they say, to recognize fake news on the social media platforms, to understand and apply your intellect before you react to everything that you see. Because this is a month where information being spread is going to lead to crazy things. Rubbish viral video, this is just an example I'm trying to explain with. A rubbish viral video can lead to riots, disruption of another level. Is this unique? Has this never happened in the world before? I'm sure it has. But can it happen in this particular month? Yes, especially in the first 3 weeks of March. This is a time where you'll do a great deed to humanity by curbing the rubbish that goes around, by understanding how to communicate better, by tackling information exchange better for your work, for your personal life, as well as socially as a society that is going to be impacted at large. So, information traveling and it leading to chaotic situations at all levels in life is going to be the highlight of this month. There's going to be a lot changing in the stock market. Their window is extremely volatile. I'm not giving detailed stock predictions as of now. I have announced a 6 month written prediction, written financial reading that I give a PDF on in detail with global trends, with what you should be doing, with remedies, everything very, very detailed. So you can write to me if you want to have that financial reading for 6 months. That will include everything in it, and I will be working very hard to give you that, and it will bring you the results that you need. I'll also include the study of long term war impact on financial markets and how you should be planning things for that. So, do check out and see if you want to book that reading. This is all that I have for you for the month of March. I'll be back with predictions in April, which will be a calmer month than what it is right now. But expect things to remain volatile, and May is your month where you can actually say, okay, now things are going to be at least for now. I'm not saying for long. So this is all that I have. Check out the word predictions because it will give you some very practical advice on how to deal with things in the coming few years and what you should be doing to survive these times at the best. Have a great month. I'll be back with predictions in April. Take care.